Hi, everybody. Hope you had a good Monday. Just a good old-fashioned rainy day here in the Northwest, right? No watches, no warnings, no concerns. Snow up in the Cascades was disappointing because on paper the snow level looked like it was 4,000, even 3,500 feet, and yet government camp spent pretty much all day 36, 37 degrees. So we had a little bit of snow at the Mount Hood resorts, but not much, talking 2, 3 inches last time I looked. I do want to begin with showing you the satellite picture, and this is not current. This was actually from this morning, but it really highlighted the different areas of what was going on. We had the main jet stream flow going into Southern California. There's LA. It's been making news, more flooding rains in California, that type of thing. I looked, several of the reporting sites had about an inch of rain today. That's big time rain for Southern California. There was an upper level low that has just weakened and weakened and weakened during the day up here in Northern California, threw more rain into the Bay Area. If you're a golf fan, Pebble Beach got rained out. A golf tournament down there Sunday. They hoped to finish it today, but that got rained out, so they just canceled it. And it's this low that's been throwing most, not entirely, but mostly light rain migrating south and north today up across Oregon of snow levels around 4,000 feet, if not heavier. The fact that the jet stream is in Southern California, the fact that upper level lows in Northern California, very much an El Nino signature. And I do want to remind you, I get that anytime you have property damage and flooding, and I'm not sure if anybody has lost their life in California due to this recent surge of rain, and certainly that is very tragic. But on the flip side of the coin, this is El Nino in California. And if not for these types of rain events and at times heavy snow events in the mountains, California goes into drought. So you can't have it both ways. So overall, strictly from a weather standpoint, strictly from sitting in the weather chair, this has been good news for California. They got more heavy snow up in parts of the Sierra and their snowpack as well. We, on the other hand, are on the northern edge of everything, and we just haven't really gotten much of anything, right? All right, so this is kind of fun. If you know the area, I-80 runs from Reno, Nevada through Sacramento, California, so up over the Sierra. That passes 8,000 feet roughly, and then down into San Francisco. So this was I-80 Donner Summit this morning. This is an interstate highway. Look how snow covered that is. Crazy, right? Now, I-5, nowhere near to what I just showed, nowhere near to the location of Donner Summit. I-5 and Mount Shasta, which is in Northern California, north of I-80. Not terrible, right? Snow roadside, but I-5 not bad. And then for people traveling over the Siskiyou Summit, the summit always remained clear. They had some rain today, but it was above freezing. That pass was cleared this morning. I just checked, that pass is clear right now. So I-5 not that bad down through Shasta. And by the way, what's produced all this heavy snow on I-80 and the Tahoe Basin and other parts of the Sierra, that storm is basically falling apart at this hour, and much improved conditions will be the story across all of that area as we go into tomorrow. Okay, so here is the upper level trough with the current flow pattern, I'm trying to say. 546 millibar, that's the polar jet. So this is a cold trough of low pressure. Notice we're right in the middle of it. There's actually an upper low to our north, but it's so weak, it doesn't really even show up in hardly any of the imagery. This fetch of moisture down here with the 564 contour is running into California. This is what's left of that low in California. It's really weakened. Basically, I just want to show with that upper level low weakening, our rain is going to be breaking up and tapering into a few showers overnight. We'll still be in this trough of low pressure tomorrow. No real moisture flow any longer coming into us, but unstable. Partly to mostly cloudy tomorrow. I think we'll get some sun breaks. I like that chance. And a continued chance of a few scattered showers. But overall, I think tomorrow still looks to be pretty dry and really a pleasant day overall. I mentioned it was a disappointing snow day up in the mountains. So when I looked, Timberline had only 2, Meadows had 3, Skibo had an inch, and that was basically overnight last night. And then Skibo warmed up during the day. Bases 84, 76, 24. Again, we melted off more than 2 feet of snow in the last couple of weeks. Temperatures for traveling, freezing tonight, but 37 tomorrow. Freezing Wednesday morning, but 35 in the afternoon. Freezing Thursday morning, but 35 in the afternoon. and it continues Friday and Saturday. So there is the chance of some more accumulating snow up there in the coming days. And if anything, a better chance as we go into Thursday that snow levels will actually be decently below Cascade Passes. So if this is true, you'd have icy conditions at night, early morning. Then you see improving travel conditions during the day. There's government camp. I mentioned they never got down to freezing today. 37 degrees, really clean. And all of the passes, Santiam is clean, Willamette's clean, Cabot Chill out over the Blues is clean. There's Siskiyou Summit. I mentioned it's fine. Still, it's 39 degrees there right now. So yeah, no issues right there. But promise of some lowering snow levels in the coming days for travelers to kind of keep an eye on. Here is the flow pattern, and we'll look at the European model. This is this afternoon at 4 p.m. Here's that trough of low pressure that I just showed you on the satellite picture. There's that weak upper low to our north I just showed you on the satellite picture. Despite the fact that this is a cool trough, the main divider of colder air is actually this blue contour that's up to our north. Anyway, so we'll play this into tomorrow. We just kind of stay in this weak trough. This shows an upper level low over California, but it's really weak. So again, scattered shower chance tomorrow, yes, but otherwise partly sunny. If we get enough sun, we could hit 50 tomorrow. And then right here, now let me be clear, the American model, GFS, European model, they don't really agree. All models show at least a chance of some moisture tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But how much, timing, all of that's a scrambled mess. The European shows this system dropping in Wednesday morning. There you go, Wednesday morning. So if this is true, this would be a wave of solid rain Wednesday morning, breaks into showers during the day. And then here is Thursday afternoon, just a northwesterly flow pattern on the back end of that weather system, keeps some scattered showers. And then the models do show this ridging. This is Friday afternoon, but they also show, and it's really tough to see this on an upper level map. In fact, you can't. This ridging would be dry if that's all you knew, but there's actually a warm front at the surface embedded, and it looks like some moisture will be spilling into us. Does that mean just clouds Friday? Does it mean occasional light rain? That's tough to pinpoint. Most models like some measurable rainfall Friday night, and then even into the day Saturday. See this little trough up here? This is Saturday. There's actually a little surface front that's up here around the Canadian border. Might throw some clouds, might throw a continued scattered shower chance our way. These are weak signatures. So if you have plans, don't give up. It's certainly possible that some of these days, I'm telling you, with rain chances, could be partly sunny and dry, if you get my drift. I do like the fact that Sunday, we have this ridge, and it's a dry day with high pressure at the surface, some sunshine, and really nice. And then we get into Monday, and here's a weak trough offshore. It's going to bring some more rain chances our way. I said this last time I talked to you, and I still feel like it's kind of the big story is that as a forecaster, I see zero big weather systems for us. I see zero big storms of concern. I see and zero big storms bringing heavy mountain snow and heavy rain to the valley. I don't see any of that this week. I don't see any of it showing up next week either. Obviously, that could change, but that's the way it looks right now. All right, here's the future cast, or the models projecting future radar, if you will. So this is this afternoon. This is pretty accurate. We still have rain in the area at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And this throws the rain into the Cascades more so this evening and overnight, and really dries out the valley. That's what you're looking at. Here's tomorrow morning. Some showers mainly up in the Cascades, maybe the gorge. Otherwise, are pretty dry. This is tomorrow afternoon. That's mainly dry, right? There's a scattered shower threat, but that's mainly dry. That's what I'm talking about. And let's see what it does with this moisture right here. This is the American GFS model. Now, remember the European model, Wednesday morning, shows rain spilling in. This doesn't show anything. It actually keeps the weather system dropping to our south. So there's sign one of things that aren't really agreeing, okay, on the weather models. That's kind of what I was talking about. All right, let's just check out some forecasts. Really, again, a lot of partly to mostly cloudy days coming with shower chances, but nothing heavy, nothing extreme, nothing like that. Been raining down in Southern Oregon. With that low falling apart, that upper level low falling apart over California, they have just a slight chance of rain tomorrow too. There's signs that moisture flow that was coming up into Portland and Salem and Vancouver is gone. 51. Wednesday, this likes rain. Now, the American model shows the rain more in Southern Oregon. That could be what this is picking up on, 49 degrees. And then just chances of rain, but pretty quiet, temperatures in the 50s going the rest of the way. I like to check out Central Oregon. It's 50 degrees in Bend right now, 50. That's warmer than we are here in Portland. Tomorrow's a partly sunny 43-degree day, freezing temps tonight. Wednesday's dry. Thursday, a shower chance. Friday, a shower chance. But remember, these are weak systems. So are they really going to throw measurable rainfall over the Cascades into Central Oregon? I would say there's a good chance no. And if it's dry, you're probably going to be warmer than 42, 41. Shows a dry weekend upcoming 45, 48. Okay. All right, here's Portland's 7-day forecast, and I'll let you go. Kind of a boring video tonight. Not a lot going on. The excitement really has been down in California. 52 tomorrow. I think we get enough sun breaks to get up to 50s. We'll see. A few showers. Wednesday, if the European model is right, we'll wake up to solid rain in the morning. Otherwise, we'll just look for an ongoing shower chance. We'll make some sun breaks Thursday. Rain Friday, that's with that spillage of warm air throwing the cloud shield into our way. So we'll see. I say likely, but none of these are guaranteed. Saturday shower, Sunday's dry, and there's a chance of rain on Monday. Okay, all right. Temperatures, most days 48, 49, 50 or so. Pretty much exactly normal for this time of the year. Well, that's it. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. I hope you found the video more exciting than I did. Subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate that. And I read the comments. So if there's a part of Oregon that you want me to mention more often to give more information, please let me know. I really try to accommodate the people that watch these videos, and I listen to the information that you tell me you want. Okay, so please do that. My weather site's portlandweather.com. I'm Rod Hill. I'll talk to you soon.